Okay, everybody. Welcome back to TartleCast. We want to talk about referring a friend. Why do we want to talk about it, Jason? What's the point of referring a friend? What is the benefit to me telling people to join a marketplace that's completely free and can only give them opportunity if they put in the work? Why would I refer that to a friend?
I think the one and most important is that you care about that person.
Oh, okay. So
it's a friend, a family member. You care about them.
Right. And you want them to have just as much economic empowerment as you, right? Do you enjoy opportunity? Do you enjoy choice?
Yes. If I'm getting paid for my data,
yeah,
and I've logged on and I've got paid for my data, why would I not share that with those I love?
Yeah. Here's the cool part. When you share with other people, it doesn't take away from you getting like money on the marketplace for sharing your data. It actually increases the value of everybody's data packet. It makes it more valuable the more people you bring on with you.
Yes.
Your collective value increases exponentially.
Because more companies are like, oh, wow, there's 50 million people in India.
Great.
And we can get data from them. Perfect.
Let's buy some more. That's what they want to do.
Yes.
So every time you share for someone to sign up or you share one of your good experiences on social media, that benefits you, your data value, your friends and your family because you care about them, and their value as a whole.
It also sets you as a data champion. And as we grow the Tartle marketplace, we will be doing special things for data champions.
Yeah, data champions, right? Those that are really, really kicking it.
Filling out a ton of data packets.
The most incredible ambassadors for self-responsibility and oneness here on this planet.
Yes.
Should be rewarded, right? It makes sense. And we will give special things to those people. We're not going to say it right now because we're still materializing all those great things we want to share. But being a data champion, being those high shares, we can see that through the activity on the accounts to see which people are really kicking it. And those are the ones that we want to highlight. Those data champions make it happen for everybody else also.
So let's scroll down because I want to show people this part here. The sharing is very, very simple.
All right, let's share.
Are you logged into your Twitter?
I'm not logged into any of my stuff, but
LinkedIn.
You can tell me how it works.
Yeah. I mean, you could just click on one. Just click on the Twitter one.
Okay, let's click on Twitter. Oh, easy. Okay.
So I mean, you don't need to log in, but
I log in.
What I'm saying is, you've logged in. It's going to post it that you're sharing and earning your data, and it's going to send it's going to have a link.
Yeah. That's
associated with you if you signed up through Tartle.
Okay.
And if we scroll down a little bit more.
Hold on, let's try the LinkedIn one. Oh, fantastic. So you can share it. So all you got to do is click on it. And if you're logged in, it pre-populates the post.
Yes.
Having other people come join you.
Yes.
Oh, this is excellent. Well done.
And you can do that with all the shares, and then scroll down. WhatsApp, you can text people. Everybody, I mean, there's billions of people on WhatsApp.
Yeah, so we got WhatsApp, Telegram, email, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook.
Yes. And
every medium for you to share online is right here.
Yeah, and scroll down a little bit. So people want to know, where do I find my invite code, and how do I get to this page inside the marketplace? Once I've signed up for Tartle, how do I find this? And I could share there. I have a QR code. I have all that. How would they get to there?
So after you're signed up for free, you can either click on this button that says get my invite code, and it's going to bring you to the refer a friend page inside the app.
Yes.
So you open up your menu panel inside the Tartle app, and you click on refer a friend. It's going to give you a link right there.
Yes.
That's the link you want to share.
Yes.
That is the benefit for you, and it's the benefit for everybody else when you do it.
Yes, and it puts you in a special category as a data champion.
Correct.
For future fun things that's going to be happening.
Yeah, future highlights.
Yes, some beta stuff we got going on. We may
test some cool stuff out for us.
Yeah, some starts with the N, ends in a T, NFTs, like all different things like that. Yeah. So it's very, very simple to do. If you haven't signed up for Tartle,
do that. It's totally free. You go to tartle.co. You're going to click on the button that says Get Started. And in short order, maybe under a minute, maybe under 30 seconds if you're real quick with your thumbs, you can be signed up on the marketplace, and you can immediately go to Refer a Friend and start sharing with everybody.
Yes.
You start filling out them data packets. You start linking up all your accounts. You start taking ownership and self-responsibility for the information and data you create. Thank you.